collaborations together. Like, what did I do to you?
Hindi napigilang maging emosyonal at maiyak ng aktres na si Heart Evangelista matapos niyang ilabas ang kanyang sama ng loob sa dati niyang glam team na di umano'y trinaydor at ninakawan pa siya noon. Sa mga hindi updated, taong 2023 last year nang tanggalin ni Heart Evangelista ang long-time glam team niya at malalapit na niyang mga kaibigan na sina Jack Aguilar at Justin Soriano. Ito ay dahil sa issue umano ng pagnanakaw at traiduran. Allegedly ginamit at minax out umano ng dalawa ang credit card ni Heart at kinuha din ang mga kontrata niya at sinabi ng dalawa sa mga organizers na hindi makakarating si Heart sa mga events at si Pia Wurtzbach daw ang papalit sa kanya. Sila ang current glam team ngayon ni Pia Wurtzbach. Naging tahimik ang issue after nun pero fast forward ngayon 2024 ay ang video kung saan nagsalita at naglabas ng sama ng loob si Heart matapos magsimula ang issue. Ayon kay Heart ay pinagmumukha daw siya ng mga ito bilang isang masamang tao at ang damage na ginawa nila sa kanya ay hindi na mawawala. Ayon kay Heart ay currently hindi niya mapapatawad ang mga ito. Narito ang transcript mula sa video ni Heart. I'm really tired of overthinking. I'm tired of thinking about what other people. I hate it. And at the same time, you feel like you're a bad person so you deserve it. Because you feel like you're problematic, you're toxic to everyone. I'm trying to entertain na lang instead kasi yun yung way ko to get over it. Overcompensating ako kasi alam ko may problem ako personally. I know they're gone. But because of how they paint you like you're such a bad person, so parang you're extra like, you know, it's like you gotta be extra perfect to people around you. It's so bad. Before, of course, I was triggered because they make me think that it's competition, ganyan, competition, ganito. I would be triggered about that because they would feed that to me. But now that I'm alone, it's really not about other people. It's about like they really destroyed my inner joy. How bubbly I was, how I was so carefree. And I'm still struggling because parang I wish I wouldn't have to see them. But parang dinumihan nila yung part ng area ko kung saan ako nagtatrabaho. Nandyan sila, but of course, I'll get over it. But I guess you're with them for such a long time, it's a process. I don't wanna be a bad person. I'm not a bad person. Feeling ko I need to build resistance or immunity towards it. You know what he did the other day? He took out all of our collaborations together. Like, what did I do to you? Parang ganun ba ako kasama? So pati ako napapa-question, masama yata akong tao. Pati ba naman yon? Galit na ano bang ginawa ko? Meron pala akong natitira, yung damage nila sa akin. Yun yung nandun ako. It's not anymore about them and what they do now. It's the damage that's still there. At ang panghuling binanggit naman ni Heart ay hindi pa daw niya napapatawad ang mga ito. Yung forgiveness, wala pa daw siya sa point na yon. So sa ngayon nga ay aminado naman ang aktres at fashionista na hindi pa siya nakaka-move on sa ginawa sa kanya ng dati niyang glam team. Pero life goes on para kay Heart at ang pinaka-revenge na lang niya sa mga ito ay ipakita niya na very successful siya sa kanyang fashion career. At maganda pa rin naman talaga ang fashion career ngayon ni Heart Evangelista since kumalas siya sa dati niyang glam team. Recently nga ay imbitado siya sa Paris Fashion Week at katabi pa niya ang sikat na Korean idol na si Mina. Samantala, narito naman ang naging komento ng mga netizens. I know people like this in real life, yung ginawa sa kanya, foul. Yung tipong tratratuhin mong family, share mo yung anong meron ka kasi gusto mo comfortable sila at masaya sila sa poder mo. They look up to you in the beginning, but the minute they see an ounce of you being human, lulusob na yan and destroy what you have built from the inside. They most likely did this to humble her, study her, and failed. Then again, Heart E is Heart E. She is a star. What they took will be replaced with something better. Sus naman si Pia Wurtzbach as if wala siyang alam sa pinagagawa ng bagong glam team niya na dating glam team ni Heart lol. Ngayon walang masyadong gigs yung dalawa.